Hello, hi everyone, welcome to Joyful Jack's Best Wishes on Valentine's Day. If you're running a little late, check out our last minute Valentine's Day gifts. They are as thoughtful, interesting, and beautiful as they are practical and budget friendly. The first one is indoor plants. They're always an alternative for those who aren't too fond of flowers. Plants are a great way for making your space a bit brighter. Houseplants just bring in that much needed freshness into our lives. The second one is fitness trackers. The wide varieties of fitness trackers that are available in the market. Fitness trackers give you that extra bit of accountability to stay on track with health and fitness goals by including all the statistics such as calories consumption, distance walked or running, heart rate, and sleep cycle. The next one is gratitude journals. It is a quite simple tool to keep track of good things in life, no matter how difficult and defeating life can be. Sometimes there is always something to feel grateful about. So you can always write down a few things you feel grateful about and feel thankful about your life. There are a wide variety of journals available. There are food log journals, gratitude journals, and journals for couples. So you can check out the links below to find out whichever you like. The next one is scented candles. Scented candles are another cute Valentine's Day gift ideas you can't go wrong with. This cult favorite candle smells like freshly cut roses, but which last much longer than a bouquet of flowers. So give your home a spa-like retreat. The next one is water bottles. The cute water bottles available in the market. You will be inspired to want to drink more water with the encouraging quotes, reminder of the daily benefits. With every sip, you're nourishing your skin, your nails, your mind, and your body. So this makes a great Valentine's Day gift too. Enjoying and relaxing at home. This home spa kit is a perfect gift idea. There are a wide variety of home spa kits available in the market, so you can buy them and pamper yourself and your partner on this Valentine's Day. The next one is photo puzzle. Upload your favorite picture and they will turn it into a beautiful jigsaw puzzle. So you can have a lot of fun with your kids on this special day. The next one is portable chargers. These sleek devices can easily fit in a purse or a pocket, and this will make a great Valentine's Day gift too. And the next one is beauty products, gifts that make us feel good and look better. Beautiful and beautifying gifts for this February. And of course, you can always go the traditional cute Valentine's Day gift route. Fresh flowers, chocolates, teddy bears. Nowadays, you can even order flowers online to be delivered the next day. So this is the easiest gift and the cutest gift you can give it to your partners. So here are all the gifts, non-diamond gift options for beautiful February. Wishing you all a very happy Valentine's Day. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, and share for more such videos. See you on the other side. Bye-bye.